In round 15, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a side up 2 single crochets, 1 decrease for 8 times, finally end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work 1 more single crochets. Then 1 decrease. A regular stitch has 2 loops. The loop close to us is the front loop. In this round, we'll make decreases through the front loops in the next 2 stitches. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through 2 front loops on hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops on hook. That's 1 decrease.
Decrease is to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. There are 2 ways to make a decrease. Method 1. Insert hook through the front loops of 2 adjacent stitches. The loop close to us is the front loop. Hook the yarn and pull up loop through the 2 front loops on hook. Yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a decrease.
2 single crochets and 1 decrease are finished. 1 set is done. There are 3 V shapes on the side. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, work 2 single crochets. Then 1 decrease. The second set is done. The third set, work 2 single crochets. Then 1 decrease. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets and 1 decrease as 1 set. Eight sets are done. Remove the marker and put 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 15 is done. In round 16, start with 1 chain stitch, then work a side up, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease for 8 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Put 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the single crochet. Then 1 decrease. 1 single crochet and 1 decrease finished. 1 set is done. There are 2 V shapes on the side. Keep working 7 more sets. The second set, put 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then move 1 decrease. The second set is done. The third set, put 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then move 1 decrease. We have demonstrated 3 sets. Please finish the rest 5 sets by yourself. Put 1 single crochet and 1 decrease is 1 set. Eight sets are done. Remove the marker and put 1 substitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 16 is done. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Take out some fiber fill from the kits. Peel the fiber fill to make it fluffy, and then stuff the fabric with fiber fill. Please finish this step by yourself. This should be what it looks like when it's done. Put the hook back into the loop and tighten the loop. We'll continue crocheting. In round 17, start with 1 chain stitch and then work 8 decreases. Finally, end with 1 substitch. Put 1 chain stitch first. Then work 8 decreases. Mark the first decrease and continue to put 7 more decreases. 8 decreases are done. Remove the marker and move 1 substitch in the first stitch to join this round. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Leave a yarn tail here. There are 8 V-shapes, which stand for 8 decreases. We'll insert the needle to the front loops only of these 8 V-shapes. Sew hole closed by stitching through the front loops only of the last round. Put the yarn tail tight to close the hole. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric and finally cut off excess end. The main body is completed. Please crochet the other 2 main bodies in the same way on your own with the corresponding yarns.